What is your name? What is your father? What is your education qualification? What is your experience qualification? My name is keyboard helper. My father is teacher. My education qualification, I am postgraduate. I have 10 years experience. I have no knowledge of Excel. I am selected, sir. You are not selected. You can see. You have no knowledge Excel. I am not accept this in this company. Not accept. You full Excel knowledge, then you come my company. You know that? For no knowledge Excel, I am not accept in this company. No. I am not accept in this company. You full knowledge Excel in my company. Hi guys, good evening. What are you doing? Come with me. I have experience 10 years in office. Today I teach you average formula used in MS Excel. How to average formula used in MS Excel? Let's start. Shift start bracket. Next type average A V E R A G E average. Shift start bracket. First column E, type E, and with row 5 E5, comma, last row 10, a column E, E10, E10, 10. Shift close bracket, enter. You can see guys, average number 267839. Next column, polo, type equal, average A V E R A G E average. Shift start bracket, first column F, row 5 F5, F5, and comma, last row 10, or column F, F10, F10. Shift close bracket, get enter. You can see guys, LP equal average A V E R A G E average. Shift start bracket, first column G with row 5 G5, comma, with row 10, a columns G to G10. Shift close bracket, enter. You can see guys, LP 93154.5 average numbers. VH equal type average A V E R A G E average. Shift start bracket, first column H, row 5 H5, comma, last row 10, a column H, H10, H10, H10. Shift close bracket, enter. You can see guys, 4988215. Next UCB equal type average A V E R A G E average. Shift start bracket, first column I, row 5 I5, comma, last row 10, a column I10, I10. Shift close bracket, get enter. You can see guys, average number You can see 4821044. You can see, guys.